first planted in County Lease branches across the
Enoch Burke in prison. Enoch Burke in prison for 513 days. Enoch Burke in prison. Enoch Burke for not accepting transgenderism. Why is Enoch Burke in prison for not accepting transgenderism? Why is Enoch Burke in prison for not accepting transgenderism? Micheál Martin has imprisoned. Micheál Martin has imprisoned Enoch Burke for not accepting transgenderism. For not accepting transgenderism. Why? Enoch Burke in prison for not accepting transgenderism. Micheál Martin.
Imprisoned under the watch of Micheál Martin and his government.
Yes.
My son has been imprisoned for over 500 days for not approving transgenderism. With sexual offenders, murderers.
Abusers.
How dare Micheál Martin sit in there? He is fooling the American people.
Deceiving them.
The Irish people live in fear.
Yes, they do.
They live in fear.
Yes.
Teachers are afraid in schools.
Yes, they are.
Every single child is taught LGBTQ plus bisexual transgenderism as fact. We're not talking to the Irish media because you work with the government.
Yes, you do.
And you work with the judiciary. The government, the judiciary are all working together, silencing the people.
And you have
we
to
are
challenge
slaves
the
in
Irish
Ireland.
government. You have to challenge Micheál Martin on this
You are a fake journalist.
Yes, you are.
You have no right to be
You
here.
have plenty of opportunities to
You
ask
have
questions.
no right to be here.